Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to stream Netflix on Discord without a black screen. If you're new, hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Discord and your Netflix browser tab. In Discord, click the gear icon, User Settings, at the bottom left. Go to Voice and Video. Scroll down and turn off hardware acceleration. Restart Discord when prompted. Step 3. Now go to your browser settings. Search for System or Performance. Turn off hardware acceleration there as well. Then restart your browser. Step 4. Go back to Discord, join any voice channel, click Share Screen, select your Netflix browser tab. Now the video will play without a black screen.
That's it.
If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.